Hello everyone, welcome to CR Maths class. In quadratic equations, level 1 to 9 problems completed. Now in this video, I am going to discuss 10th question. See this, what they are given question? 3 power 1 plus x. That is, we can write 3 power 1 into 3 power x plus 3 power 1 minus x, 3 power 1 into 3 power minus x, that is equal to 10. 3 power minus x, how to write? 3 power 1 into 3 power x plus 3 by 3 power x, that is equal to 10. Now, let 3 power x is equal to t. Substitute here 3t divided by 3 by t, that is equal to 10. Take LCM and calculate. You will get like this, 3t square minus 10t plus 3 is equal to 0. Or otherwise, if you are not understood, we can write like this. Is equal to 10t, 3t square minus 10t plus 3 is equal to 0. This is quadratic equation in t. Now split into factors. 3t square minus 9t minus t plus 3 is equal to 0. First two terms, take 3t common. We get t minus 9 minus 1 common. We get t minus 3, that is equal to 0. 3t minus 1 into t minus 9 is equal to 0. Then what is t value? Sorry, here 3t common means we get t minus 3. T minus 3. Okay. T is equal to 1 by 3. Another one, t is equal to 3. Already we know that t means 3 power x. 3 power x is equal to 1 by 3. 1 by 3 we can write 3 power minus 1. 3 power x is equal to 3. 3 means 3 power 1. Bases are equal, power should be equate. So first one is x is equal to minus 1. Second one is x is equal to 1. The solution of the given expression minus 1 comma 1, 1 comma minus 1. Which option correct, students? First option. 11th question. If x plus 1 is a factor of the given expression, then the value of p is. So here we know that x plus 1 is equal to 0 means, then what is x? X is equal to minus 1. Now substitute in place of x minus 1. First, the given expression f of x, x power 4, p minus 3 into x cube minus 3p minus 5 into x square plus 2p minus 9 into x plus 6. Here x is equal to minus 1 or x plus 1 is a factor of the given expression. So f of minus 1 is equal to 0. Factor means the remainder is 0 or not. Substitute minus 1 whole power 4 plus p minus 3 into minus 1 whole cube minus 3p minus 5 into minus 1 whole square, 2p minus 9 into minus 1 plus 6 is equal to 0. Calculate this. This is 1 minus of p minus 3 minus 3p minus 5 minus 2p minus 9 plus 6 is equal to 0. Now observe the p terms, minus p, minus 3p, minus 2p. Overall, minus 6p plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 9 plus 6 is equal to 0. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 6, 20, 24. Minus 6p is equal to minus 24. Then what is p? P is equal to 4. 6 fours are 24. Third option correct. X plus 1 is a factor of the given expression, means given expression I am taken f of x. X plus 1 is factor of the given expression, means we can take f of minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay. So in place of x, just substituted minus 1 and calculated, we got p value. The number of real solutions of the equation sin of e power x is equal to 5 power x plus 5 power minus x. The number of real solutions they are asking. We know that condition arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric. So arithmetic mean formula a plus b by 2 greater than or equal to geometric means root ab. This is overall a plus b greater than or equal to 2 root ab. So here let a is equal to 5 power x and b is equal to 5 power minus x. These values substitute in this formula. Then what we get? 5 power x plus 5 power minus x is greater than or equal to 2 root 5 power x into 5 power minus x. Greater than or equal to 2 into under root. Here 5 power bases are equal, power should be adding x minus x 0. 5 power 0, 1, root 1, 1, 1 into 2, 2. This is 5 power x plus 5 power minus x is greater than or equal to 2. What is 5 power x plus 5 power minus x value? Here see that sine e power x, sine of e power x. But we know that sine theta range belongs to closed minus 1 comma 1, but it is more than 2. So it is does not belongs to closed minus 1 comma 1. So therefore no solutions. No solutions. What is the answer, students? Which option correct? First option, 0 solutions. Okay. Question number 13. The roots of the equation x power root x is equal to root x power x. What are the roots of this equation? Now go to verification method. put x is equal to 0. If it is satisfied the condition, 0 is root of the equation. Now, question we know that 0 power root 0 is equal to root 0 whole power 0. Here we are getting 0 power 0, that is equal to 0 power 0. This is indeterminate form. Indeterminate form. Already we know that in limits. So this is not a root. Go to x is equal to 1. Substitute 1 power root 1. Root 1 power 1. 1 power root 1, that is 1. Root 1 power 1, that is 1. Yes, it is satisfied. Now go to another value. 4. Substitute 4 power root 4. Root 4 whole power 4. 4 power root 4 means that is 2. Here root 4 means 2. 2 power 4. 16. 16. Yes, it is also satisfied. Finally, what are the roots? The roots are 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Third option, correct. Fourth question, alpha, beta are the roots of the equation. X square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. X square plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then find alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. So first split into factors. X square plus 2x plus x is equal to 0. X common, we get x plus 2. So here plus 2 identity 10. Next 1 common, x plus 2 is equal to 0. Finally x plus 1, x plus 2 is equal to 0. X value minus 1, 2. So here alpha and beta are roots of the quadratic equation. Take alpha is equal to minus 1, beta is equal to 2. Beta is equal to 2. Now we need to find alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. Alpha minus 1 whole power 5 plus beta 2 power 5. What is 2 power 5? This is minus 1. So here x minus 2 is the root. By mistake I am written 2. This is also negative only root. Now substitute minus 2 whole power 5 minus 2 power 5, 32. So final answer is minus 33. Alpha power 5 plus beta power 5. Which option correct, students? Fourth option. Next question. Let two numbers have arithmetic mean 9, geometric mean 4. Then these numbers are roots of the quadratic equation. Okay. For suppose let a comma b, or you can take alpha comma beta, are roots of the quadratic equation. Roots of the quadratic equation. Then how to write the quadratic equation? X square minus sum of the roots into x plus product of the roots is equal to 0. And arithmetic mean given. Arithmetic mean of alpha and beta. Here alpha and beta are two numbers. Alpha and beta are two numbers. Arithmetic mean, this is the formula, alpha plus beta by 2. Arithmetic mean is 9. 9 is equal to alpha plus beta by 2. Then 18 is equal to alpha plus beta. Okay, next, geometric mean, that is root AB. 4 is the geometric mean. Do that squaring on both sides. 16 is equal to AB. These values substitute here. X square minus 18x plus 16 is equal to 0. Which option correct, students? Fourth option. This model also very important. Either MSET or mains or BitSat. Here students, this is alpha, this is beta. Alpha, beta. This is alpha, beta. Substitute here, you will get answer. That is fourth option.